So, are you sick of those get-rich-quick videos? The ones that promise you the moon but end up delivering, well, nothing? You're probably feeling swamped by all the options and just want someone to give you an honest, straight-up guide to making your first real dollar online. This is the video you've been looking for. I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step blueprint that combines content creation with affiliate marketing, even if you're starting from scratch. This isn't some fantasy I'm selling, it's a practical roadmap. I've been there. I went from making $0 online, completely lost and confused, to building a sustainable income that genuinely changed my life. And I did it with the exact same principles I'm about to share with you. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan to start earning. So what's the game plan? First, we'll demystify what content creation and affiliate marketing actually are, no confusing jargon allowed. Then I'll walk you through finding your unique niche, a topic you could talk about for days. After that, we'll cover creating your first pieces of content, even if you have zero budget and no fancy gear. Next, I'll show you exactly where to find the best products to promote and how to get your hands on those special affiliate links. And finally, we'll put it all together and I'll show you how to make that first glorious dollar. We'll even cover the common mistakes that trip up most beginners and, more importantly, how you can sidestep them. Let's get into it. Step 1. The what and why. Content and affiliates explained. All right. Let's lay the foundation. We need to get comfortable with two big ideas: content creation and affiliate marketing. First, content creation. Honestly, it's just making and sharing stuff, like videos, articles, or social media posts that a specific group of people will find interesting. It can be educational, it can be entertaining, or a mix of both. Every YouTube video you watch, blog you read, or Instagram account you follow, that's all content. In this strategy, you're the creator. You'll be making helpful stuff that solves a problem or sparks curiosity for people who share your interests. Now, affiliate marketing. This is how we get paid. It's a system where you earn a commission for promoting another company's product. Think of yourself as a trusted recommender. You get a unique link, and when someone clicks on it and buys something, you earn a cut of that sale. The beauty of this is you don't have to create products, manage inventory, or handle customer support. Your job is simply to connect the right people to the right products. Here's a perfect example of how it works. Let's say I'm a YouTuber who reviews tech. I make a video about the camera I use for my channel. In the video description, I drop my affiliate link to that camera on Amazon. If you watch my review, decide you want that camera, click my link, and buy it, Amazon pays me a small commission. It costs you absolutely nothing extra, but it lets me earn money just by recommending. Step 2. Finding your niche. A niche is just a focused topic you're going to build your content around. It's your own little corner of the internet. So, how do you find it? The sweet spot is where three things overlap: your passions, your knowledge, and what people are actually looking for. First, what are you passionate about? What could you talk about for hours without getting bored? It could be anything: home gardening, vintage video games, baking, learning Spanish, personal, finance for college students. Passion is key because creating content requires consistency, and if you're not into your topic, you'll burn out fast. What do you already find yourself talking about with friends and family? That's a great place to start. Second, what do you know something about? You don't have to be the world's leading expert. You just need to know a little more than the average person, or willing to learn in public. If you're on a journey to learn a new skill like coding or digital painting, you can document your progress. That journey becomes the content, and it builds an insane amount of trust and relatability. Third, is anyone else even interested in this? Do a quick search on YouTube or Google for your ideas. Is there already a community there? Big niches like tech, health, finance, and beauty are popular for a reason. They solve major problems. But don't be afraid to get specific. Instead of just fitness, you could focus on fitness for busy moms at home. Take some time to brainstorm. List your hobbies, skills, and interests. Do a little research, but please, don't get stuck here for weeks. Analysis paralysis is real. Just pick one and go. Step 3. Creating your first content. You're probably thinking,
I don't have a pro camera,
or
I'm a terrible writer.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be helpful. Your goal is to create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. Video is amazing for building trust, but a blog is a fantastic way to start with a very low barrier to. And for those of you eyeing YouTube, the barrier to entry for monetization is lower than ever. As of 2025, you can join the YouTube Partner Program with just 500 subscribers and either 3,000 watch hours or 3 million shorts views. So while our main goal is affiliate income, you can start earning benefiting from YouTube itself much sooner than you think. So, what should you create? Here are a few simple ideas that work. Product reviews. Grab a product in your niche that you already own and like. Give an honest review, the good, the bad, and who it's truly for. This is the most direct route to using an affiliate link. 2. How-to guides. Walk people through a process, step by step. How to repot a houseplant, or how to set up a beginner's budget. Tutorials are pure gold and instantly position you as a helpful resource. 3. Comparison posts. Pit 2 or 3 popular products against each other. Help your audience. Choose what's best for them. Brand X versus brand Y. Which is worth your money? 4. Beginner's guides. Become the go-to resource for a newbie in your field. The ultimate guide to starting a vegetable garden, for example. For blogging, sites like WordPress or Medium let you start. Writing today. Aim for 1 new piece of content a week if you can, but remember that even just getting a few solid uploads out over 90 days is enough to meet YouTube's minimum activity requirements. The more value you give, the more your audience will trust you. Step 4, finding affiliate products. You're creating content, you're providing value. Now let's get you paid. The golden rule here is to only recommend products you genuinely believe in. Let me say that again. Only recommend products you believe in. Your audience's trust is everything, and promoting one piece of junk can destroy your credibility forever. So, where do you find these affiliate programs? The easiest place to start is with brands you already use and love. Just go to their website and scroll all the way down to the footer. Look for a link that says affiliates, partners, or affiliate program. You'd be surprised how many companies have them. Next, you can check out the major affiliate networks. Some of the most popular ones for beginners are: first, Amazon Associates, the classic starting point. You can earn a commission on almost anything sold on Amazon. Second, ShareASale and Awin. These networks are huge and have merchants in just about every niche you can imagine, from fashion to software. Third, CJ Affiliate, another massive network that works with a ton of big, well-known brands. Fourth, ClickBank. This one is heavily focused on digital products like online courses and ebooks, which often come with much higher commission rates. When you apply, they'll want to see your content platform, so have your blog or YouTube channel ready. Once you're approved, you'll get your special affiliate links. Step 5, putting it all together, your first dollar. Okay, this is where the magic happens. Let's stick with our niche, home coffee brewing for beginners. You've created a few videos, and you've signed up for Amazon Associates. Now, you decide to make a YouTube video titled, How to Make the Perfect Pour-Over Coffee at Home. In the video, you walk through the whole process. You show the coffee grinder you use, the gooseneck kettle, the dripper, the filters. You don't just show them, you explain why you like each one and how it helps you make better coffee. You're just being genuinely helpful. Then, toward the end of the video, you say something natural, like,
if you're interested in any of the gear I used, I've dropped links to everything in the description below.
just a heads up,
Affiliate link, so I may earn a small commission if you decide to buy something, but it's at no extra side to you and it's a great way to support the channel.
you pop over to your Amazon Associates dashboard, grab your unique links for those products, and paste them into your video's description. You hit publish. A few days go by. Someone who wants to get into pour-over coffee finds your video. They love it. It was clear, helpful, and you seemed trustworthy. They click your link for that gooseneck kettle and buy it. You just earned your first dollar online. You solved a problem for someone, and you were rewarded for it. That's it. That's the entire model. From here on out, you just repeat that process, overcoming common hurdles. Now, let's get real for a second. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building something sustainable takes time and effort, and most beginners quit when they hit one of these 3 walls. First, impatience. You will not be making thousands of dollars next week. Your first few commissions might be for a whopping $2. That's okay. You need to celebrate that first dollar like you just won the lottery, because it proves the system works. Success is built over months, not days. Second, the fear of not being an expert. This is huge. You don't need to know everything. Just be one step ahead of the person you're trying to help. Document your own learning journey. People connect with authentic progress, not flawless perfection. And third, focusing on selling instead of helping. Nobody cares about your affiliate links. They care about their problems. If you obsess over creating the most helpful, valuable content you possibly can, the income will follow. So, there you have it. The simple, honest-to-goodness blueprint for earning your first dollar. Online, we covered finding your corner of the internet, creating content that matters, finding products to promote, and tying it all together. But look, all the planning in the world means nothing without action. Don't just close this video and move on. Take the first step. Pick your niche. Brainstorm one single content idea. Start today. Success is right there for you if you stay consistent and focus on helping people. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week with practical tips to help you build your online business. And seriously, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to every single one.